Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to get the 1099 from Robinhood. So let's quickly get started. So for you to be able to get the 1099 from Robinhood, open the Robinhood app and log in into your account. Then tap the account, which is the person icon at the bottom right. Then select statement and history. So you have to tap the tax document, then look for the form 1099 under the tax year. So tap the form to view it, and also you can download it or share it or probably save it as a PDF. Then you can also repost the same thing on desktop. So if you're on desktop, just go to the website robinhood.com, then go to account, then click document, then click tax document and select your 1099 and download it. And that's how you can easily get your 1099 from Robinhood. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.